Tamara Nina Arbore was born 1889, died 1942. He was a Romanian painter and illustrator, known for her still lifes and portraits. She took her first art lessons from Nicolae Vermont while she was attending the public schools in Bucharest. In 1906, she enrolled at the Women's Academy of the Munich Artists Association, where she studied with Angelo Jank. After completing her studies, she went to Paris, where she found a position in the studio of Henri Matisse. She provided decorations for the Church of St. Constantine and Elena in Constanta and the Church of Elijah the Tishbite in Sinaia. For many years, she participated in exhibitions held by the Fine Arts Society of Bessarabia. She was also a teacher at the Academy of Decorative Arts, founded by M. H. Maxy.